Don't want people knowing you have read their messages? You can easily disable the read receipt in the Samsung Messages app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how to do it. First, open the Samsung Messages app. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Choose Settings from the drop-down. Tap Chat Settings. Here, look for Read Receipt and then toggle the switch off. Now, when you read a message, the sender will not know unless you reply. This setting helps you maintain a little more privacy in your chats and prevents others from expecting an immediate reply. Plus, it's a quick and easy way to control your message experience on your Galaxy device. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.